Yesterday we got a good news for Solana, okay, which we will see an ETF pretty soon for Solana, and that's why we got this nice candle going up. So what I'm expecting is Solana to go up because we have a good news, and there is nothing is going to stop Solana from moving upwards until 171 level. Here we can have a real selling pressure, but for now, all I see is that Solana can go up until this level, and as soon as it reaches it, it's gonna go back to these levels again, 165. Just be safe, be careful on what you're doing, because depending whether it's gonna go up or down based on the news, you can just be going against the market, and that's something you want to avoid at any cost. Trade smartly, trade safely, and always use stop losses. Okay.